I'm Shruti Malik. I'm from India, and I'm pursuing my PhD in practicing plays at Katholische Universität in Eichstätt. The graduating college is called Practicing Place, which I think was extremely fascinating for me, especially coming from the architecture and urban design background, where I got to understand space and place in terms of a very deterministic place design view, where we are constantly trying to engage social backgrounds in place making. But I think having practiced that, there were multiple points of social exclusion that led to uh, place making turning into place taking very immediately. And so I think this is the platform where I look at one of my topics is trying to look at guided walking tours and how place is a dynamic practice of constantly being practiced as how place is being performed or even practiced through actions embedded with the epistemic configurations that are constantly in formation and in continuation with how we practice places, and how those places then reveal various other practices that lead to new places that are formed, be it theoretical, be it fictional, be it physical. So one of my concepts that I'm actually going to research on is looking at guided walking tours and how walking tours transform and become a means of practicing of place making and place taking within the cities of Delhi and Berlin, within different culturally contrasting cities, to understand how walking practices are the very embodiment of how places are practiced, and are investigating into how ephemeral knowledge productions and cultural productions happen through walking practices, with walking practices being as the epistemic subject of research. So I think practicing place in general as a concept, which is quite, I think it's been prevalent, but in terms of theory, it's quite relevant and new in order to a new approach, a new concept to understand and theorize places, which gives potential to look at how places are constantly and dynamically practiced. And walking practice in itself being a very dynamic practice in itself, I think kind of really strongly juxtaposes into that concept, and at the same time looks at different cultures and how that embodiment takes place. I think also the interdisciplinarity of the design of the course of practicing place of the graduate college is very fruitful for me, specifically coming from a very practice-based background where theory, I feel I'm not very strongly based in theory but more in practice. But I've got the chance to pursue this research as something where I find very valuable, and the aspect of interdisciplinarity where I have human geography, sociology, American literature studies and art history to have a very to form the weaving of the very strong fabric of how I can place a fertile ground where concept of practicing place and walking practices can then be juxtaposed to how epistemic practices come together in order to form places, I think is very fruitful to understand how various practices and the concept of place being dynamic, I think in general is a very fruitful place to, in general, to have research. And I'm very, very glad and very excited to be here.